Hi everyone, Jessica Gardner here with UT Extension in Cotton County. Today we are in the kitchen and we are going to make some zucchini bread. Oven's preheated. So if you're like me, all your zucchini came in all at the same time. I have more than I know what to do with. My neighbors are tired of me sharing my zucchini. So a great fun activity and a healthy snack to make with our zucchini is zucchini bread. So this recipe is super easy. Very minimal ingredients, and we are going to walk through the process. I've already washed my hands, washed my zucchini, preheated the oven, and oiled my pan to bake these. So I've gathered all my ingredients. We're going to use 3 eggs, a 1/3 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of flour, and about 2 cups of fresh zucchini. So I've already cut the ends off my zucchini. Like I said, I already washed it. I'm going to shred it onto a paper towel. Zucchini can be really moist, so I want to get a lot of that excess water out so it does not make my batter super runny. So I'm going to shred this up. So the oven's already preheated, my pan is already greased, so I'm going to start with a mixing bowl. I'm going to add 3 eggs. Now I'm going to save these eggshells. If you watched Sarah Orr, our agriculture agent, she did an awesome video on what you can do with these eggshells, how they'll help your garden. So I will save those to put back out into the soil. I'm going to add my sugar and brown sugar. Go ahead and add my vegetable oil and my vanilla. Now I love this recipe because it's super versatile. You can have options to add chocolate chips on top. I've even seen recipes where they use cocoa powder and make chocolate banana bread. So there's lots of options that you can create it however you prefer to eat it. So I have this mixed up pretty well. My wet ingredients are nice and mixed up, so I'm going to add my 2 cups of flour and my baking soda, baking powder, and salt mixture. And I'm going to combine these. Now that this is well combined, I'm going to go ahead and add my zucchini. Now the recipe calls for about 2 cups or 1 medium-sized zucchini. I'm probably going to add a little more because you can never have too much zucchini in my opinion. So I'll add this and mix it together. Now that this is well combined and looking delicious, I have some dark chocolate chips left over from something else. Just going to dump those in there for fun. Mix these up and we will be ready to add it to the pan. So I'm scooping my zucchini bread batter into muffin tins. This can be a great way to keep an eye on portions, and it's really convenient instead of having to slice off the loaf in the mornings if you're on the run and you choose this for breakfast. It can be a lot easier to just grab a muffin. That sounds great. Truth be told, I'm only doing this because I cannot find my loaf pan at the moment. But these are awesome, fun snack as well. In the oven these go at 350 for about 30 minutes. While those muffins are in the oven baking and I still have extra zucchini, what I like to do is go ahead and shred it while I already have a mess out. And then I'll freeze them in freezer Ziploc baggies with the date, what it is, and how many cups. So next time I want to make zucchini bread, I can just pull one out. It's already measured, let it defrost. A super easy and quick process. Once our muffins or bread is already done, we can also freeze those. So if I just wanted to make like 6 loaves today, I could put those in freezer safe containers or Ziploc bags, just make sure all the air's out, and I could freeze them and their quality will last around 3 months. So that's another option. If you're just in the mood one day and you want to make a ton, that way you have plenty of bread for the next few months. It's super easy to pull it out of the oven and defrost it. And they are done. Quick disclaimer, I use almond flour because of dietary restrictions in my household. So yours will look a little fluffier than mine, but they look and smell amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and follow us for some more great ideas for this summer. Thanks guys, bye.